If you're a brand new gardener, or you're thinking about gardening, you're starting to get excited, right? You're like, man, next spring is going to be fantastic. We're going to rock and roll. We're going to grow everything under the sun. But where do I start? Well, you're starting right now by watching this video. But when you start your seeds, these are a couple things you need to know about seed starting mixes versus potting mix. So sit back, relax, grab your coffee, and let's talk about the differences between the two and why one for seed starting is so much more important than the other. Which one do you want when you're starting your seeds? Well, if I'm gonna be totally honest, the answer to that is in the name of the mix. Seed starting mixes are what you need when you are starting your seeds inside as starts for your spring. So you're rocking and rolling, ready to go when your last expected frost date hits your zone. Okay, so if you're a beginner gardener or you're thinking about starting your garden for the first time ever this coming spring, then you are doing all your research, right? I mean, if you're watching this video, you're doing your research. And you're probably wondering, well, what's the real difference between a seed starting mix and a potting soil? Well, here's the thing with seeds. When you are starting them inside, let's say in trays like this, or any of the other million different ways of trays or solo cups or whatever you're doing for your seeds, this is what seeds need. They don't need a potting mix. Seeds, when you start growing them, they need a median that can hold them like a hand in a glove. They need something that holds them tight, allows the warmth from your heat mat to come up through the soil, the median, the seed starting mix, and start to germinate. They do not need nutrition. That is the reason you don't need a potting mix when you are starting your seeds. You need a median that is geared to enveloping and holding on to those seeds like a hand in a glove so they can grow. A seed starting mix, such as this one, seed starting mix, right there, specially formulated for root growth, because what's important for a seed when they start to grow is those roots to be able to grow out of the seed and go out and search for water. Your seeds are not searching for nutrition until they put on their first true set of leaves. Not that first set of leaves that come off when the plant grows. Those are seed leaves. I'll put the name of that right here. Your plant needs nutrition when they start to put on their first true set of leaves per plant. So you don't want a potting mix when you are growing your seeds from a start. Normally, I have never once used a potting mix. I have always used some form of a seed starting mix. Always, 100%. And here's what will boggle your mind as a beginner gardener. Well, I need to give them fertilizer. I need to give them lots of nutrients. That's all true. Once you up pot them out of something like this, when you take that plug out and you move them up and you pot them into a larger container, which is called up potting, that's when you need to add a potting mix of some kind, whatever you choose, which we'll go over in the next few videos in this series. But for now, if you are starting your seeds inside over the winter, so you're ready to rock and roll in spring, you want to start with a seed starting mix. But those are the differences. Now, you can always get fungus gnats, honestly, even from this if you overwater and all that. But in another video, we'll go over how you can help keep fungus gnats away, along with strengthening your plants as they grow. If you like what you've heard so far, do me the 3 favors. Share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. If you're looking for a channel geared toward beginner gardeners from a somewhat beginner gardener, and you want to join a community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube, click the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you're always notified whenever I upload videos. So those are really the reasons on why you want to have a seed starting mix when you're starting your seeds inside versus a potting mix. The seed starting mix is formulated for root development. Now, whether it's this brand or another brand, it doesn't matter. Use a seed starting mix. Believe me, it's what you want to do. You're going to save some money with the seed starting mix, and you're not going to have a bunch of issues. Plus, it's what your seeds need. And that is your Tuesday growing tip of the week. Everyone take care. God bless. Get those seeds planted. Get ready for spring. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.